Another important term is genotype, so we define it as, the genotype is the genetic makeup of an organism in terms of its alleles. It refers to the combination of alleles, such as both capital Bs, or one capital B and one small b, in the case of dominant allele and both small b's, in the case of recessive allele that determines a particular characteristic. The genotype refers to the complete genetic makeup of an organism, specifically the combination of alleles it carries for a particular gene. It represents the inherited genetic instructions received from both parents through the gametes. Genotypes are usually written as pairs of letters such as both capital like capital BB, one capital and small like capital B and small b, or both small like small b's. Each letter represents an allele, where a capital letter indicates a dominant allele and a lowercase letter indicates a recessive allele. The genotype is important because it determines the possible traits an organism can express, even if those traits are not visible in its appearance. Some alleles may be hidden due to dominance but are still present in the genetic makeup and can be passed on to offspring. In some cases, different genotypes can produce the same phenotype. For example, both capital BB and one capital B and one small b result in the dominant trait being expressed because the dominant allele masks the recessive allele represented by small b, in both situations. However, these genotypes are still different, meaning they can pass different alleles to the next generation.